waits up, still sleep, wake up. Girl gon' break up, mind right, cake up. Friends came, friends left, bullshit is endless. Then next, hip hop, really not impressed. Maybe just my love died, sober still above pot. Slugs fly, eyes suck dry, still a thug cries. I cry till I can't cry no more. Believe my own nonsense, I can't lie no more. So damn breathless, I can't sigh no more. Wheels already fell off, I can't ride no more. I guess I pack up all of my belongings and just troop it. You know it's beef when a smart nigga gets stupid, cause then it's justified, rationale, nullified. Steven shot 8 times, almost thought my brother died. See, he was raised different, I know his mother tried. His arms tied, I'm trying to teach dudes to touch the sky. But still shorty wow, turned on by 40 cal. Was young, never saw me wow, clutch Robert Ory style. No wonder I picked up triggers to beat. I only ever fist fought with niggas bigger than me. I never been the one to try and grab shit in my reach. Incompliant, you have now witnessed the breach. I feel like life is all written, understand my math. Got on my knees, told God I had a plan, he laughed. I mean, hours past, no sleep. Cowards get a slow leak, shower twice the whole week. Powerless control freak, thinking about suicide. Won't though I'm scrutinized. Life nigga, do or die. Hood want him crucified. Jury on fresh dress, model broads in excess. Phone calls, death threats. Tell me what's the next step? What's what? Who's who? Paranoid as usual. Gripping on my deuce. Either way you lose. All I need is one mic. Razor blades, gunfights. Room without no sunlight. Understand sun's plight. If done right, won't seek and fail. I don't follow the path, I'm creating my own to leave a trail. There's no rhyme or reason to rhyme. No more food for thought, shit to season in mind. Now they doubting my desire, second guessing my fashion, like bringing weapons to Manson. When you question my passion, I live for this, not the projection of fame. Got signed having the answer, then the question changed. Saying jump off don't sound right, it's blasphemous, downright. I astound mics, music is just what feelings sound like. So even though when I do it it's flames, for a while felt like I was making music in vain. We don't do it the same, I use it for change. Y'all do it for change, I use it for pain. But keep doing your thing, sound scan, skyrocket. Build all this hype about it, praying people might cop it. This is just my logic, maybe it's psychotic. Though labels try to stop it, this my antibiotic. Ew! So let me start doing what dudes like. A nigga in the booth feeling fresh and it's a new night. And I cruise like cruise control. Fuck that, I can't do it, I might lose my soul. Even though it's shit help a nigga to his goal. Would defeat the whole purpose, nah, that ain't what yours is. Nah, that would be worthless. Bar sounding nervous, a nigga much deeper than what you see on the surface. I'd rather resort back to snatching purses. Finally understanding what the gift and the curse is. If I was more concerned about a purchase, I would tell y'all it's about to go down like bird shit. It takes courage, me versus urges. A wordsmith that got caught up with label merges. And what's worse is I've been deserted in the circus. Up and left the circuit, it's dead like purses. Sicker than the pedophiles working in the churches. That ain't the type of shit I deem fit for my verses. So let me help niggas understand now. Why try to fit in when you a standout? No album, but the money never ran out. Aside from rap, I'm kinda focused on land now. Cause I don't know where the game is. I know we just been attacked by a Hurricane Chris. Some niggas can't fathom what money and fame is. Or some niggas get it by using they stainless. Or some niggas get it but they can't sustain it. Me